Hey guys, me Steve on Steve Metal Detector channel. Today I've come to a new location. I've been trying to get into another location where this old church is, but no one's around to get the permission. I've tried ringing them, but I've got no network. So I've found this location for today. First hit is a modern day penny. Didn't bring my bag today because it keeps like giving me problems. Don't forget always to fill your holes in, guys. Respect the public, and then you'll be okay. Right, let's get you on the next one. Okay, next hit. Just a coin, 20p. Modern coin. Catch you on the next one. Okay, just filling the hole in. I thought I'd give it one more quick scan, and I found a lighter. I haven't brought my bag with me today, so I'm just sticking it in my trouser pocket. So let's quickly scan one more time. No. Getting a hit there. That could just be a pull tab. Maybe not. Yeah, pull tab. Dog pull tab. 3 items in one plug. See if anything else is there. No, nothing else. Right. Seems like there might be something here. Not sure though. Right, fill this hole in. Don't forget, guys, always fill your holes in, please. Like I'm doing. Might not be going back exactly as it is, but at least I'm filling the holes in. Right. Getting something at 11 now. I might not bother with that one. Right. Catch you on the next one. Okay, just over here somewhere, guys, I found tuppence. And just here in this plug, modern day penny. So I'm finding a lot of modern day coinage here today. Not much, probably about 24p, but it still builds up. Not sure there's something in that one still. Don't think there is. Well, it says there's something here near this plug, so could be another coin. Let's get my spade. Do a live dig on this one. Put your camera on the head. Right. Do this one. Probably a pull tab. There's a hell of a lot of pull tabs over here, guys. Alright. Could that be it? Right, so it's a bit of metal tin. I never know what you might get on a live dig, guys. Oh, my back's hurting already. So I'm kind of keeping along the side entrance here, guys. So I'm not really disturbing too many of the public. So I'm going to follow it around the tree line, see what I can find. Right, okay, I won't bore you with the long videos, so I'll catch you on the next one. Right guys, another find, just down here. It's like a part of a buckle. So yeah, don't know how old it is. Put it in my pocket, take it home, catch you on the next one. Right guys, got a hit here. It's in this plug. Actually, it's just there. Another penny. We'll check it out just to be on the safe side. Been finding pennies, too many pennies. Well, not many, but been finding pennies. Just had a hit over that direction, but it's way too deep. Again, don't know what it was. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Well, just dug this hole. First pound coin I found, more recent coinage. Put it in my pocket. That is near this tree here. I'm going to quickly scope it again, see if there's any more. If not, I'm going to move over towards that way because that's like a biking ramp, I think. There might be people sitting around the area losing coins, jewellery, so I'm going to go there in a minute and see what I can find. Alright, catch you on the next one. Alright, just digging a hole in a little bit of a forestry. This little bit. Just come across a coin, and it's an old £1 coin. So another one in the pocket. Okay, catch you on the next one. Okay, well, I thought I'd hit here, but it wasn't. It was a bit further, and I've just pulled that plug out, and it's another £1 coin. So one of the older ones, which is not spendable, but it is another £1 coin. Check it over again. Right. Right, let's do a nice dig, probably a pull tab or a bottle top. We'll soon see on it. These pants keep falling down. I'm going to have to find some new trousers to wear. So we'll do it. That was 61 then. So 24, 35, 30. 35, 38, 39, lost it. Alright, let's get a pinpoint, that says 40 there. Oh, ring. Oh, my first ever ring. That's cool, but I wonder if it's silver. I don't think it is. Might be, don't know. I don't think it is silver though. Can't see no hallmarks. It's not heavy enough to be silver, I don't think. But we give it a clean when we get home. Nice little fine, first ring of the season. Now, I did speak to a gentleman over there, where those trees are. Just over there, where that person's walking, I don't know if you see that. But a gentleman came up to me and said, "Have you got anything?" I said, "No, just recent coins." And he actually told me in the mid 1800s, this used to be a horse racing track. It only stayed open for 10 years until it closed down. So you never know, you might find some horseshoes or some old tokens or something, you never know. Now, I wasn't going to dig there just then, but lucky I did. So, Fox Drive. I think that was it. No. Now I might come over here late in the week because it's only one bus for me to actually walk. Just a bit of tin. Oh, these damn trousers. Right, okay, I'll get you on the next gig. So, I'll catch you soon. Well, I'm on the way home, but I'm just going round the trees and look what I found. I don't know what it is, could be a door handle. I think it's a door handle, I'm not sure. But that'll go in my bag, so I can't put it in my pocket. And we'll check it out when we get home. That looks like a brass door handle to me. So yeah, nice little find there. Right, catch you on the next one. If not, and I'll see you on my next stream or on my review tonight. Catch you later.